the yellow bird came back from the store.
Flying randomly up the elevator shaft. Where's my bed? I can't find my bed. To the Fatmobile. Whee! Gotta get in my Fatmobile. I'm coming to save you, bed! I found it! There it is! Wait!
What do you want?
This is my bed!
We know, sir. But somebody said it smelled like chocolate, and he was allergic to it.
Well, it's not my problem. This is my bed.
I'm sorry, sir, but we have to keep it. Besides, I can't afford anything. I'm a poor bird. And I've been working day and night, as you can tell by the bags in my eyes. Now, if you excuse me, I have very important work to attend to. Sleeping on your bed.
I'll give you $2 for it.
Deal.
Oh, hey, Redbird. Are you my twin brother? Yeah, sure. Yay! Let's drive away. Wait. I want to go with you too. Get in the car. Okay. Well, let's drive away. Whee!
Sir, I think your car just got crashed into.
Wait, what? Oh my gosh, what'd you do?
Oh no.
You crashed into my car.
You sure backed it up.
This is a reserved parking for me.
Then why did you put a sign?
There is a sign.
Where?
There, it's blue.
Oh. Okay, now I can read it.
Okay, good.
Sorry. I'll back up.
Wait a minute.
Beep, beep, beep.
We were next to my house the whole time?
Beep, beep, beep.
Man, I have really bad memory. Wait! I'm home! Taking a